Hey everybody, it's Mr. Carr again. 12.1, day 3 is our goal today. We are going to be focusing on the surface area of spheres. So a sphere is just like a circle in 3 dimensions. You just kind of, if you take a circle, kind of spin it around like a beach ball. Okay, so everybody's seen a sphere. So the surface area of a sphere, really easy. 4 times pi times radius squared. That's it. So when I look at this problem here, make sure you're dealing with radius, which I am here. I could make this a little extra challenge by doing that, give you a diameter. So make sure you're dealing with the radius. So radius is 7. So this surface area is 4 times pi times 7 squared. So I get 7 squared is going to give me 49. So 4 times pi times 49. So my surface area, if I leave it as an exact answer, 49 times 4, giving me 196 pi. And again, that's the exact answer. If I want to approximate, I'm just going to plug that in. And I get 615.752. Oops. And that's going to be square centimeters. Okay. So again, that's it. All you do is basically area of a circle times 4. Now to add a little bit extra to that, we're going to talk about a hemisphere. So a hemisphere is just any sphere cut in half. So most people, they look at this, they think, oh, well, surface area of that is just going to be 2 pi r squared. It's half of a sphere, it's got to be half of the 4 pi r squared. Okay, so we take that, so I'll technically take this divided by 2, I get to 2 pi r squared there. The problem is with a hemisphere, when you do this, you actually create this other surface here. So you've created another circle. So even though, yes, I agree, this right here is going to be 2 pi r squared. That's this surface right here. But with the hemisphere, and it's not a bowl, it's a hemisphere, that also gets another pi r squared. Okay, so we're going to take 2 pi r squared and we're going to add another pi r squared. So in the end, the surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r squared. So that's how we have to handle this problem. Okay, I don't need to do it as my 2 separate pieces. I can just go right to 3 pi r squared because I'm dealing with a hemisphere. Now remember, this one, the slight challenge is the fact that the diameter here is 13. So the radius is actually half of that, or 6.5. So that's what's going to go in my formula. 3 times pi times 6.5 squared. Okay, so I got 6.5 squared, then multiply by 3, and I get 126.75. And that's my exact. So if I multiply that by pi, I get my approximate answer. And I get 398.197. And this is going to be square inches. All right. That's it for today. 2 formulas, and they're related to each other. So we got 4 pi r squared is any sphere. That's the surface area of any sphere. If we cut that in half, what we've done is we've cut the 4 into 2, but then we've created a third surface like this. So that's another pi r squared. So we have 2 pi r squared from this, and then a single pi r squared. We add them together. My new formula for a hemisphere is 3 pi r squared. Okay. So we have a few problems for you to try out. Give it a shot. If you have any questions, please reach out. But that is it for today. All right. Take care, everybody.